We are over here at Stacy Lim's Slim Fitness in Newark, and we are practicing an advanced smooth style Lindy hop move, the rhythm circle. I think I've done some instructional videos on this before, but the basic gist is off of the whip, and I better say this, you have to kind of know how to do a whip. Actually, not kind of, you have to know how to do a whip before attempting to do this move. So if you're just doing like a 6-count East Coast swing, which is great, doesn't have these kind of moves, okay? So you need to be familiar with a whip, or at least a swing out. So let's say I'm taking Jaghvi into my whip. See, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. 3 and 4, 3 and 4 is a transition. 5 is when we get into it. So off of that, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Jaghvi can feel that I'm really sinking away. We're leaning away from each other. A good analogy is this game that we used to play with our siblings, right? That thing. The only thing is we're taking it from this closed position off of a whip. I'll do that again on 4. And you'll see that I'm really sinking away, and Jaghvi's sinking away. 1, 2, 3, and 4. My arm is straight, she's sinking back. 3 and 4, our weight is on our lead foot. So it's the secondary foot that goes on 5 and 6. Secondary foot is Jaghvi's left. My right. She triples straight out to the side. I triple in front. Every time you triple with the left, whether a lead or the follow, it's to the side. Every time you triple to the right, whether that's a lead or a follow, it's in front. The only thing is that she starts out on 5 to the side with her left. I triple in front with my right. So with her left, with my right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 is the exit off of the whip, which is at the pivot. 5, 6, 7, and 8. If we did it from here, 1, 2, 3, and 4, sinking in. Now, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, getting out on 5 on the pivot. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. We'll do that one more time, breaking it down. And again, you might have seen this in a lot of 50s rock and roll movies. Guy with horn-rimmed glasses, like what I've got here. I'm going to put them on. Though we're in sweat clothes, we shouldn't really be in dress-up clothes. Gil and Nikky Brady, those are the dancers that do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Full speed. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One last time. Rhythm circle, as seen in many 50s rock and roll movies. You'll never see it on American Bandstand or the KPIX Dance Party or Buddy Dean, but you will see it in Don't Knock the Rock, Carnival Rock, Untamed Youth, those kind of things. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Shoo!